Thomas Edison would feel right at home with today's power grid. It still looks a lot like the system he started building in the 1880s. But the world has changed a lot since then. The aging infrastructure of the grid today just can't keep up. The old linear model of large centralized power plants is inflexible and unable to predict usage or integrate new sources. At the same time, consumers are no longer simply passive customers on the end of the power line. Consumers have embraced the Internet of Things, smart appliances, and devices that are connected to the cloud. This opens the opportunity to change demand in real time, making the potential for a more responsive system. In addition, distributed energy resources, or DERs, are being installed in homes and businesses to generate additional sources of power. Consumers can now contribute back into the power grid. The grid needs to evolve from the days of Edison, but rather than start from scratch, a layer of software can be created over the top of the traditional infrastructure to help utilities create a better grid. This new system is known as a smart grid. In a smart grid, IoT connects all the new energy devices to the cloud, enabling the power company to take advantage of big data and machine learning. The resulting analytics can yield a power grid that more efficiently uses resources, is more resilient, and with less consumer cost. Smart grid makes sense in theory, but it needed to be put to the test in a real-life environment. So, Microsoft partnered with the Norwegian power provider Agder Energy to launch a pilot smart grid program. Using a Microsoft Azure Intelligent Cloud and IoT technology, we provided Agder Energy with tools to manage the operation of new distributed energy resources, including device controls and predictive forecasting for situational awareness. A two-way flow of information and power means new resources now connect into a system that has orchestration and coordination. Demand is managed as a flexible dynamic force, not taken as a given, and is matched with supply when the energy supply is cheapest and cleanest. Software unlocks distributed energy resources, and the system becomes more than the sum of its parts. By empowering everyone to be a part of the smart grid, utility companies are providing better service and giving more choice to their customers, who can in turn respond to the needs of the grid, thus creating a virtuous feedback loop. It's a brave new world for energy, and we think Thomas Edison would be proud of where we're going with it.